Nahipo ko, shit. I have come in peace. I'm unboxing my Sunny Angel Hippers.
It's her turn now.
I've been eyeing this for the longest fucking time. Sabi ko nang hinahanap ang babaeng ito. And my sister caught me one.
Yeah.
Thanks, sis. Spade. Oh. Okay. So, ang gusto ko, of course, is
Strawberry, the apple, radish, tomato, mushroom, or
the secret. Those are the ones I want. The red ones, the white one, and the secret. Are you ready? I'm ready!
She a racist. She want a white one.
Tagal. Ay. I'm gonna pop it, you know. Wait. I hope it
Not
pops.
there. Near.
Will it pop? Binalik gagi. Binalik ko.
Sa ilalim ata, mas ano.
Hindi rin nag-pop.
Sa ilalim,
Hindi
alam
rin
ko.
nag-pop yung akin kanina.
Ay, hindi ilalim yun, Ella.
Oh, di ba? Mas ano sa ilalim. Kaso baka nandyan yung picture.
Walang
Alam
picture.
mo.
Walang picture.
Ano ba? Let's open this, bitch! Well, okay.
Oo, gumapakiramdaman.
Hindi ko siya papakiramdaman because I don't wanna be spoiled.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. We're gonna
Kayo
see it
muna!
first.
Kayo muna! Oh, nahipo ko, shit. Let's go! Game! Bigit na ako.
Girl, don't peek. Don't peek.
Ano pa? Oh! Oh! Shut up!
Wait. Oh, shit.
Ang tagal ata.
Oh, shit.
Okay!
I want that.
Go.
I wanted that. Ako, I wanted that.
Ba't pala ako?
I said I wanted the radish. Hala, ang cute ng bakbak!
I want one.
Oh my God. May tarub.
Hindi ko mapakita yung akin.
May
Nakadikit
tarub
na.
siya. Ang cute niya.
Super cute na.
Ang
I
cute.
like it.
I like it. Doon pala yan yung...
Kabit mo na
Namali
sa
ako
akin.
ng binukas.
Kabit mo na sa akin.
Thanks, Sunny Angel.
Goddamn.
Feeling. Thanks, Sunny Angel, for this. And I love it. Yes.
Ang cute!
Hala, ang cute! Ay, hindi ko pala nakakat.